Hey YouTube, my name's Mary, and today I'm going to do some fun stuff on some denim jeans. No, forget it. Hey YouTube, my name's Mary, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your denim jeans. Working in an art studio, I get paint all over everything. So I'm going to make it a little fun. Ready to have fun?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm using a light wash jean. I just like the effect of paint on a light wash jean. I prefer to just wear plain white tees. I'm notorious for a white tee and, a bottom. I like to keep one thing crazy and one thing normal. So my white tee and my crazy denim painted jeans will be my outfit for the spring/summer. And so let's get started. So I'm gonna start with a white background. I do a cool technique with my hands. So I have gloves on. I'm sure many of you guys have gloves at home now. But I'm just gonna spread the paint on my gloves. Make sure you get all the fingers and the palms. And make sure you don't have a lot of paint on your hands. And I'm just gonna start stamping down in different places. And I'm just gonna do one more, maybe with my fingers a little closer together. Okay, so for my next layer, I got a new pair of gloves so I don't mix up my paint colors. And this time I'm going to use this teal color. You can use regular paint like we did at the last layer. I'm just going to use some spray because I really like this teal color. It's just blue shade, or phenolphthaleate green. So I'm just going to spray this. Gonna do the same technique. So I don't have pink in-house, so I'm gonna make a color of pink. So I'm using 12 milliliters of red, and I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in there, and I'm gonna add white. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of water.
More.
Okay, so now I have my red and white mixture with some water. You want it creamy like tomato soup, so that it's easy to drizzle. And then I'm just gonna swipe it. And dry this baby. So I just want to give my pockets a little pop of color. So I'm just gonna tape up the sides so that I don't get paint where I don't want it. And I'm gonna use my pink mixture that I made and just fill in this pocket. And I'm gonna grab my white glove and just stamp a little. And there we go. My gloves back on, fingers, get a nice even coat of paint. Ready? Ooh, okay. And just press down really hard. Perfect. So these are the finished product. I'm super excited to wear these, even though I'm not really wearing hard pants in the house, but I will definitely put these on. So I hope you guys had fun. Tag me on Instagram so I could check out your artwork. I'd love to feature you in the next video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.